Welcome, my name's Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you a great exercise for lower back pain, especially those who have hyperlordosis, which is an exaggerated lumbar curve. So we all have a natural S shape to our spine, but some people have an exaggerated curve here at the bottom, and that leads to a lot of bone-on-bone compression, which obviously can be quite painful. So I'm going to show you an amazing restorative yoga pose that lengthens and decompresses the lumbar spine. So we're going to do this exercise on the floor, and you're going to need a straight back chair. So we're going to start off lying on our left side here. Our knees are bent, and you want to get your butt as close as possible to the chair. Then we're going to roll over onto our back here, creating a nice 90-degree angle. And for most people, this is the beginning, the middle, and the end of the exercise. They're just going to relax in this position for 5 to 10 minutes. For those of you who are pregnant, especially in the second half of your pregnancy, it might not be very comfortable for you to lay in this position for longer than a few minutes at a time. So if at any point you feel dizzy or nauseous or just unwell, you can simply go back onto your left side and just relax for a few minutes until you feel well enough to go back into that position. There also may be people who have such an exaggerated curve that their back isn't making contact, like flush contact with the floor. So if that's you, you can always take a thin blanket and put it underneath your back. Or some people also like to use this moment to implement an exercise. So what you can do from here is you're going to slightly tilt your pelvis and you're going to push your lower back into the floor, and your abs will be a little bit activated here, and then you're going to relax. You're going to push and spread out your lumbar spine onto the floor and relax. You're going to push that lumbar spine into the floor. You get a slight pelvic tilt here and relax. And so we just did 3 repetitions there. So you could do a set of 10. Take a little break and do 2 more sets of 10. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Let me know how it's working out for you, and I'll see you next time.